How to change Shopify cart icon. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, log into your Shopify admin account, and after that you need to click on this option of store at the left hand side panel. Then make sure that you have selected themes. After that you will find three dots over here. Just click on it and click on this option of duplicate. This is just a backup in case if we mess up with the codes. So just create a backup, and after that you need to search for Icon Scout on Google and open up the very first link that you will see on the search results. This is where it will take you. Now all you have to do is just search for cart over here. Then make sure that you select the icons. Then in case if you don't want to spend any money, then scroll down at the left hand side and select the free versions. And after that you will be able to see a lot of free versions of cart icon, and just select the best one that suits your Shopify store, and after that you need to download it. But while downloading any of the cart icon, make sure that you select the SVG version of it. So let's select the SVG version of this particular cart and click on download. And as soon as you download it, this is how it will appear. Otherwise it will appear on the bottom of your web page. Just simply drag and drop it in order to get its code. So we will just simply drag and drop it, and now this is how it will appear. After that just click on option of inspect, and now we will be able to see its code. We will just right click on it and click on this option of edit as HTML, and we will be getting the whole code of it. Then we need to just select it and copy it. After that just open up your Shopify, and over here you need to click on this option of three dots, then click on this option of edit code. After this opens up, you need to search for icon dash cart, and here you will be able to find two different options over here. Just add both of them, and now we need to replace these codes with the code that we just copied. So just change it and replace it with the code that we just copied. And in case if you want to change the width and height of this particular icon, just simply change it from here. It is 64 right now. You can reduce or increase it. After that just simply click on this option of save, and it will be saved. This is basically the icon when someone adds items in their cart, and this is the icon that will be shown for the empty cart. So you can play around with different cart items for both of them. Suppose you want to add this one for the cart which is empty, and this one for the cart which is filled with the products. So these small changes will make a big difference for the customer. And just simply replace it and click on this option of save. Let me preview it. You can see the current store icon. Let me save it, and then we can preview it again. So it is saved. Now let me preview it again, and it has changed. Earlier it was like this, now it is like this. And you can play around with different icon cards, and you also now know that how do we get the code of that particular cart icon. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.